much do you earn daily? Is your salary enough for you and your family? Do you think you're paid fairly? Kuya, how many hours do you work daily? Hi! Welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, we will interview Filipinos from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines, and ask them how much do they earn daily. This is the part 2 of the video. How much do Filipinos earn daily? A lot of you were asking for part 2, so we're doing it now. Enjoy the interviews. What is your name?
Shalin Brondo.
Charlene? Charlene. Charlene, okay, nice to meet you. We're long distance. Okay, so how old are you?
18 years old po.
18 years old. Are you still studying?
Not yet.
You're just working right now. Oh, okay. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single po.
So how long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since you're wow! I'm so happy for you. Okay, so she's single, okay, and since birth, no boyfriend since birth. What is your job?
Service crew po.
Service crew. She's selling. This is their store, guys. She's selling egg, any kind of a corn dog, sandwich, any kind of sandwiches. Okay, how much do you earn daily? Magkano ba yung daily?
Yung sahod ko po. Depende po sa oras po.
It depends to the hour. What do you mean by it depends? Like how many hours?
5 p.m. to 9 p.m. po.
How much do you earn now? Because she doesn't know, guys. She doesn't know how much she earns daily. She just said that it depends to the hours that she's working. So, how much did you earn already? Magkano ba yung sinahod mo?
Mga lampas 4K po.
In how many days?
In 15 days po.
Okay, so she already earned more than 4,000 pesos in 15 days. Okay, she couldn't give us the daily salary. So 4,000 in 15 days, 4,000 plus, right? Okay, how many days off do you have per week? Ilan pa yung day off mo in one week?
Wala po.
No day off? So you work from Monday to Sunday?
Yes po.
That's crazy. Okay. But do you have like time to rest, right?
Opo.
Like for example, from Wednesday to Sunday, you work 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So morning, that's your rest. Do you think you are paid fairly?
Yes po.
Yes. What is your name?
Alondra Reliora.
Beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Alondra. How are you today?
I'm okay.
You're okay. So how old are you, Alondra?
I'm 24.
24. And what's your job?
I'm sales lady.
Sales lady. You're selling what?
I'm selling device, cell phone, laptop. That.
Laptop. Okay, so like this. Phones. So, was anyone interested? Come here at the Robinson Mall and look for Alondra, right? Okay. How much is your daily salary?
It's 365 only.
365 pesos daily. Okay, how many days off do you have per week?
My day off is only one.
One day?
Yeah.
Like, for example, you work Monday to Saturday and then Sundays you're off.
Yes.
I see. So, in 1 month, you got 4 off. Okay,
Yes.
right? 4 day off. So, I see. What do you call this? Is your salary enough for you and your family?
No.
I'm
single, but my salary is not enough for me.
I see. Why? You have so many bills?
Yeah.
I think you order a lot of stuff online.
Yeah.
Shopee, Lazada. Okay, anyway, do you think you are paid fairly?
For my job, it's fair.
It's fair.
Yeah.
I see. So it's good for you, right?
Yeah. It's fair naman.
It's fair. I see. Ate, what is your name po?
Lorena Malyari po.
Lorena. Nice to meet you, ate. Okay. How old are you, ate Lorena?
34 po.
34.
Yes.
Are you single or... Oh, you're married.
Yes.
Okay, so you have kids?
3.
Wow. Okay, so ate Lorena, what is your job?
Service crew.
Service crew. So ate Lorena is selling fries. Okay, how long have you been working here?
This coming December, 3 months.
3 months. Oh, is it good?
Good.
Okay. So, ate, how much do you earn daily?
Minimum 365.
365. 365. Okay. Pesos. 365 pesos daily. And how many hours do you work daily?
Hours.
8 hours from what time?
Depend ma'am. 3 to 11.
3 p.m. to 11 p.m. Wow. So this operate until 11 p.m.?
Yes ma'am.
That's beautiful. Okay. And how many days off do you have per week?
Every day ma'am.
Pero ba ang day off mo every
Hindi
day?
ma'am. Depend ma'am kay ma'am sa boss namin kasi siya nagbibigay ng day off para sa amin.
Oh, so their boss is the one who's going to give but how many days? Ilang days po ba normally?
30. Minsan sa 1 month, mga 2 days lang day off.
Oh, in 1 month, not per week. In 1 month, 2 days. 2 days off. I see. Is your salary good for you or enough for you and your family?
Hmm. Ano ma'am? Minsan ma'am kulang, minsan tama naman 'pag walang mga project yung mga bata sa school, yun.
Okay.
Enough naman ma'am.
Enough. Okay, sometimes it's enough, sometimes it's not. Especially if her kids has like projects from school, then oh, it's not enough. But your husband has a job, right?
Yes ma'am.
Both of you are, okay. Do you think you're paid fairly?
Pag ano
Or
ma'am.
sa mo ba yung sahod mo tama lang ba?
Okey lang ma'am para sa mga kids lang. Kasi pambaon nila ma'am sa school. Kasi yun nagpo-provide ng everyday namin minsan, yung husband ko.
Oh, so her salary actually goes to her kids, and her husband is the one providing for everything, like their needs inside the house. So for her, yeah, her salary is. I mean, she's paid fairly. Kuya, what is your name, Kuya?
Roel Cruz,
Will Cruz. Okay. How old are you, Kuya?
41,
41. And what is your job, Kuya?
tricycle driver.
Tricycle driver. Guys, for those who doesn't know, this is tricycle. This one. Very common vehicle here in the Philippines if you are going to commute. Tricycle is always like everywhere. They're everywhere. Kuya, my first question is, how much do you earn daily?
600 to 500
500 pesos to 600 pesos daily.
daily.
Oh, that's good amount, Kuya.
Oo nga.
Okay. Kuya, how many hours do you work daily?
12 hours.
12 hours every day.
Oh. 7 to 7.
7 to 7.
Oh,
7 a.m. to 7.
starting, oh,
Okay. And do you have like days off? Like how many days off do you have per week?
7 days.
No day off?
No day off.
Oh, you're good, Kuya. Kuya is workaholic. Okay. Is your salary good for you and your family? Like enough?
So, okay naman, sobra naman.
It's
Minsan
more than.
sakto, minsan sobra.
Oh, Kuya said sometimes it's enough, sometimes it's like enough, like good, good amount. Okay. Kuya, do you think you're paid fairly?
Ah,
Para sa imo ba sakto lang ba yung
sakto
sahod?
lang.
Or is it's good?
Pero minsan kasi hindi naman pare-pareho eh. Minsan may maganda-ganda rin eh. Minsan naka 800 din. Ganun.
800. That's the highest, Kuya, 800. So sometimes it's good,
May
sometimes it's
okasyon,
bad.
okasyon, alam mo, pesta, yun. Mga 1.5 ganun.
Oh. If there's an occasion, Kuya could earn 1,500 in one day. Like fiesta, that's like a well-known occasion here in the Philippines. Okay. So, yeah, you're good, Kuya, right? Like you're paid fairly. So, thank you, Kuya. Salamat.